Okay, so in this video, we're challenged to figure out the sum or the multiplication of 48 and 52 quickly and easily. As you may have seen in my first video, you can use FOIL for that. However, it will take a while, and there's a bit of an easier method. To explain how, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite these two numbers as something very interesting. 48 is going to be rewritten as 50 minus 2, and 52 is going to be rewritten as 50 plus 2. Now, if we expand that out, we get 50 squared plus 50 times 2 plus 50 times negative 2, and finally minus 4, or minus 2 times 2. So what you may see here is this 50 times 2 and this 50 times negative 2 cancel each other out. And you're left with 50 squared minus 2 squared, which, as you may see, is the difference between these two numbers and 50. So that means that you can imagine this as, you notice that they're the same difference away from a number like 50, and you go 50 squared, which is 2,500. You should be able to do that easily. Then subtract the difference squared. So 2, 4, so you get 2,500 minus 4, or 2, 4, 9, 6. So now let's go ahead and do the same thing here. These numbers are very similar, are 6 away from 40. So 40 squared is equal to 1,600, and then minus 6 squared is minus 36, so 1,564. If you have trouble figuring out how the 64 thing is, imagine 100 minus 36. See if you can do that in your head, and then subtract 1 from that. And then similar process here, 89 times 91, 8,100 minus 1, so 8,099. 95 times 105, there's another method you can use for this, but for now, I'll just do the same thing. You would get 10,000, and then you subtract 25, so 99,075. And finally, back here, you can combine the method we used in the second video. These two are 1 away from 25 squared. And if you saw the last video, you'll realize you can figure that out easily as a 25 at the end, and then 2 times 3 equals 625. So 625 minus 1 is equal to 624. All right, that's all for the video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below, and stay tuned for more daily videos on this stuff.